Welcome everyone, and tonight I thought I'll just take you to a local market here, just round the corner from where the condo I live in. It's a typical Thai market. It's not your normal tourist market with all your tourist tat, etc. It's purely for the locals. They go there, they buy the food. Let's go and have a look and see what it's all about.
There was once a day that I would pray for you. I'd go and misbehave just so you'd notice too. Sneaking looks up and down from across the room. And damn, what a hell of a view. I feel good, you look great, I like you, I can't wait. A first time, a first date, you're so fine, I'm so late. You sip wine, I drink straight. Don't waste time to my place. I feel my heart rate.
So here we are at the market. As I say, this is very, very typical Thai. I'll give you a location. I'm not sure the name of the market, but I'll give you a location down below in the description of exactly where it is. Now this market, you've got all the normal Thai shops here, which is, over there you've got the little bit shop. Groceries next door sells egg and rice. This is the car park. This is, or should I say, the scooter park. There's always abundance of bikes here. Everyone turns up in bikes at this one. As I say, it's a local market, not a tourist market. Now, one of the things that you can get here is these offerings. They're flower offerings that people put around their bikes. I've got one around mine for good luck. Say I've got mine on my bike. Let's see if I can find it for you. Watermelons there, and the fruit, all the fruit you can want. As I say, this is typical Thai. There's not many Phalangs or foreigners that'll be here, so let's have a wander around and see what we can see. The trouble with this market with me is being Western, being tall. They normally have tarpaulin spread over the market, which are all very low, and I have to walk around hunchback. All fresh fruit. As I say, this is, I have to duck down under this tarpaulin, where most of the people here would just walk directly underneath it. Deep fried crabs and prawns. Pig's intestines. And again, you're going to get all your different traditional Thai food here, rather than the Phalang food that we're all used to. Duck neck, got duck's neck there. Now you go into a Thai restaurant back home in the UK or wherever, you won't see any of this food. This is all traditional Thai Isam food. All the pastes there. Salted fish, dried fish, and pork hock. Great delicacy here. And again, I'm getting a bent neck. Walking round with my head stooped down. Here's the local butchers. So you've got all the different meats all cut up, bacon. You've got octopus there. So it's, let's say, much more traditional food market here in Thailand than what you would normally do on the tourist trail. Doing papaya salads. Oh, hello. And of course, wherever you go, you're going to have your bugs. Don't know what's all of these bugs, but as I say, they're mixed up with spices and then and oils, and they're not bad to eat actually. They're quite good. Lots of cake. Might have to come back for some of them. Chicken. The barbecue skewers, chicken hearts and chicken on that one. Little sweet cakes there. And again, got pig's head, fish. Pig's intestines, there you go. Again, all very typical Thai food. Fresh fish. And frogs. That's all frogs in there. Here's the butchers. You see, you got pig's ears there and pig's intestines, and a great big old pig's head there. Look. I can say pork is very big here. It looks like perch. Fish, all fresh fish. Here's all your add-ons, rice, all your sauces. Fresh prawns there. What we got here? Squid. I've got to walk under all this stuff up here. I'm 6 foot tall and that's 5'6", hanging down. Shellfish and oyster. Live prawns. That's one thing for the Thais. They won't waste anything. They will eat all of the animal there. Eating every last bit of it. As I say, lots of these different types of fruit and vegetables. White cabbage, cauliflowers, lettuce. Some of the stuff you can pick out, but some of it is a little bit alien. Probably be eating it since I've been here. I'll probably be eating all this, but it's been mixed up. And again, got the frogs there. And if you want, got a couple of rats there. They're deep-furred. There's no fur on them. and this is bamboo shoots, and you got crabs and more frogs. Out in the farms, so boy, all of this is not unusual. Rats, frogs, anything that's edible, they will eat. As I say, you're not going to get that in any Thai restaurant in the West. This is proper Thai food that the locals eat. So there you go. That's a quick walk around the market. It's a typical Thai market. It's only opens at night. I'm the only foreigner here, the flying. So let's have just a quick scan round. No foreign faces here, but that's a typical food market here, local to me, that we frequent. Sushi is very big here, so and of course you always got your lottery tickets. And lychee juice. This is salt crusted fish. It's quite nice. Had this the other night. The fish is coated in salt and then barbecued in these rotisseries. Quite nice. It is one of the staples of the Thais. These are pork sausages. It's all down there, the pork sausages. And what we got, squid there. So there you have it. That's the Thai market, typically Thai. Some of the stuff in there for sale to eat is not what you see anywhere else in the tourist markets, but gives you an idea of a proper Thai market aimed at the Thais. As I say, there isn't any tourists there. For Langs, I was the only one walking around, and all the food there is aimed for the local palate. So if you like the video, please smash that subscribe button and hit the notification bell, and it doesn't cost you 1 penny. And until the next time, stay safe, and I'll see you a little bit further down the line. Stay safe.